How to fix unable to load or open Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can fix unable to load or open up Snapchat, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you're not being able to open up Snapchat and if you're not being able to load it, there could be a couple of reasons why this is happening. First of all, make sure it is the official version of Snapchat from your Play Store and not any third-party applications. After you've done that, you want to make sure to just long press the Snapchat app icon here and just make sure to tap the I button. Once you tap the I button, you're going to be taken to the app info page, and if you're on iOS, I just want you to uninstall and reinstall it. So just scroll down to Storage tab, make sure to clear the cache files and also make sure to clear the data. After that, make sure you have enough storage on your phone, because sometimes due to lack of storage settings, your phone could have bugs issues as well. Then another thing you want to do is just make sure that you have an update available. So go to your Android phone or your iOS device and make sure you have an update. Then make sure to update it to the latest version as well. Then again, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open up your Play Store. In the search box, you want to type in Snapchat and then check if the Snapchat app has an update. If it does, then definitely make sure to update the app to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped solve your problem, and if it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.